For our short video this Tuesday, I thought we'd make a mop so the dolls in your dollhouse can mop that kitchen floor getting ready for the holidays. Stay tuned and see how fun and easy this project is. Alright, so this is a fun and pretty quick project. So we're going to start out, we only need we need glue and toothpicks too, but we need a kitchen wooden skewer, like you use in the kitchen, and some kitchen twine. It shows the kitchen twine because although it's thick, we can make it thin, and that makes this a really quick project. Now I am going to measure up 3 3/4 inches up on my wooden skewer. And I'm going to cut that off right there. Now, don't use scissors to cut these. That's really dangerous. I'm using pet nail clippers. These work pretty well for this. Otherwise, you could use a saw. You could use like clippers like you use to trim branches on your trees, anything like that. And then I just happen to have this coaster sitting here. I'm going to use this to measure my thread, and it's about 4 inches. So what I'm going to do, we're going to cut this long and then we're going to cut it to size when we're done. So I'm going to wind this around about 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to cut it here. I'm going to come in. Trying to keep this under camera and still get it cut. And we're going to cut at the top. That way we have 10 pieces of thread of the string that are way longer than we need. And that's what we want. We want it way longer than we need at this point. So we're going to take some glue, and I'm going to make a bead of glue pretty much, come on, quit shaking, pretty much all the way around. You want a pretty healthy dose of glue there. Now we're going to put our string, lining the end up with that end and making it run the length of the skewer. And I'm going to lay these around. So I can do this so that get a little more glue there. And we're just going to lay these out on here. And you really can't put too much glue on here. Oh, come on, they're sticking to my fingers. Okay, I'm going to turn the camera off. I'm going to get these glued all around and I'll be right back. Alright, those are all glued on now. Now we're going to cut a piece of this string. It doesn't matter how long it is. And we're not even going to use all of it. What we're going to do is we're going to peel off 2 or 3 strands. Doesn't really matter. It's not particular. I'll put some glue down. And we're going to coat this piece in glue. And we are going to wrap it pretty tightly around where these are glued. It doesn't have to be perfectly neat. This is all going to be hidden in the final project. Now this glue needs to get all the way dry before we go to our next step. So when this is dry, I'll be back. Alright, so that glue is pretty much dry. So now we're going to do a kind of a tedious step, and this is optional, but it will make it look better. We're going to just take a toothpick and kind of unwind each of these strands of string. You want to kind of separate them out so that when they fold over, they look like separate pieces. Use a toothpick to get started. Use your fingers. Just kind of unwrap them a little bit. So. This is probably going to take me a while, so I think I will turn the camera off so I don't bore you completely. And I'm just going to continue working my way around our broom until I get all of these at least loosened up. They're not going to stay all the way undone, but they'll be looser. So when that's done, I'll be back. All right, they're all loosened up a little bit. And now this piece that we cut that we used to wrap there, I'm going to take a couple more strands off. Probably about 3 will be fine. And we're basically going to do very similar to what we did earlier, but we're going to do it the other direction. You'll see in a sec. Let's get a little glue out. I still have my wet wipe here, and it's moderately damp. So I'm just coating this in glue. And I'm going to try and get some of the excess glue off my fingers. And you'll notice these are still looking like this. Some of them are still looking like string. And that's okay. Now, pull your threads, your strings down. And if they've glued onto the stick too high, just kind of pull them down. Work them around so they come around evenly. You want to cover up that spot that you wrapped it earlier. When you get it pretty well the way you want it, which will be easier when you're doing it at home because you can have it up where you can actually see it and you won't be trying to keep it under a camera. And we're going to wrap this around and around and around. And comb it out a little more. And we're going to cut it however long you want your mop to be. And there we go. That one's a little shorter. I made one earlier that's a little longer. You can always stain this. Now if you want it to look old, kind of clip it at different lengths and soak up some coffee with it. That will make it look old and dirty. But there is a mop for your dolls in your dollhouse to use. Or you can lean it into like a cleaning cupboard or something like that. Just a fun little accessory. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you learned something. If you have subscribed to my channel, thank you. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you haven't and you enjoy my content, I'd love to see you hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you know when I put up a new video. Be sure and check the blog post for some photos and come find us on the Facebook group too. I'd love to chat with you over there, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.